Welcome, my friends. I've got another unboxing for you today. As you can tell from the title of this video, this is part one of my birthday haul. I am splitting this up because these pieces came in early before I took my annual birthday trip that I had to forego last year because the unfortunate world situation. But this year, vaccinated, ready to go and enjoy my birthday with my family. So let's get started with this unboxing. This is thanks to my wonderful SA in San Antonio, Isabel. She was kind enough to make sure that this got out overnight so that I would be home to be able to sign for it. And for that, I am incredibly grateful. So as you can see, everything is so nicely packaged and in plastic, which is perfect. The box is beat up, but at least you can see that this is protected regardless of what the weather is, and this was definitely well packed. All right, just decided to expedite things a little bit. As you can see, this is packaged with the ribbon and the beautiful camellia. And let's go ahead and pull that off and unbox this baby. All right. Okay, there we've got the white tissue paper, so that gives you a clue. This is not a classic flap. Still haven't found the classic flap of my dreams, so waiting. And accordion tissue paper and the black bag. Any guesses? The fact that it's a black bag is very telling. Got the care booklet and I'm sure the dusty mitt. All right, to reveal. Ah. Okay. Oh, wow. My new business affinity. This has the light gold hardware, as you can see, and it's in the black caviar leather. And the strap is all wrapped up. Let's see if I can get this undone. Whoops. All right, so as you can see, this is the flat bag in the black from the 21B collection. And let's go ahead and remove this. Yay! Beautiful. Oh, gorgeous. Still got the stickers on it, brand new. And this is the larger size, which I guess is technically the medium. I think it's called the medium, but I wanted the larger size as opposed to the smaller, the mini. And it's got the nice hardware, the zips on this front pocket that allows you to fit your phone. And this is in the burgundy. This is burgundy fabric. Does have the snap closures, so you can either expand it or make it smaller. Let's see how this zipper. Nice. Has the top handle and the pocket in the back, and a nice heavy substantial chain that is not removable. It doesn't go through, which is kind of nice because then you don't have to worry about losing the chain. But you can use this as a shoulder bag, crossbody if your body allows, and as a shoulder bag and top handle. It's got the front pocket. This is the newer edition, has the chip inside and then a zippered pocket. And this is the burgundy fabric, not the leather. And this particular one is made in Italy. So this is the first piece in my birthday haul. Yay! I've been wanting this for quite some time, so I'm very excited before they have another price increase to get a hold of this bag. You may not be able to tell, but this box is actually smaller, and that is because it is a smaller piece. So let's go ahead and get it opened. This is something that I imagine may end up being the unicorn color for this particular season. Any guesses? All right, another white tissue. Here is my receipt from Neiman Marcus. And it's opened. Oh, so beautifully packaged again. Another black box. Or I'm sorry, another black dust bag. To reveal. Oh. Okay, this is a mini. And this is the mini in the Violet Claire, or you look on the app or the website and the paperwork, it is, I think they're calling this white medium. That's kind of odd because this is, oh no, okay. Yeah, this is the light purple. They call it light purple. My essay referred to it as Violet Claire to kind of go along with the Rose Claire and the Beige Claire that came out earlier this spring. Heavy duty, beautiful silver chain, and I have to admit I like the silver. I prefer the silver over the gold, even though, you know, the gold is beautiful, but all right. I was incredibly lucky to snag this piece. As Isabel said, I won the lottery and was able to secure this with her assistance, and for that I am eternally grateful. This is a beautiful color. It does skew, it definitely looks pink, which is going to be different from the light purples that are coming apparently in 21K, of which I have definitely asked to be put on the list for that. But this color also is just gorgeous. It's a beautiful pastel. It has that really creamy lilac, lavender look to it. It is very pink, you know, it is very, very much pink. And probably, you know, I mean, if you look at the zipper is actually, it is pink. I don't know if it tells. It looks I'm feeling like it actually looks gray on camera, but it is definitely a, like I said, a unicorn type piece because it probably is going to appear, a different color in different lighting, different circumstances. So, but you can tell my nails are in that kind of lilac color, and they definitely look a lot more purple. And this is looking a lot, in real life, this looks a lot, the bag itself looks a lot more pink. But I think that this is an amazing addition to my collection. I don't have any bags in this color or really this light. Even, well, actually, I take that back. My other mini is a light dove gray, and I took her out yesterday. But I am super excited to take this one with me on my birthday trip and being able to get to use it.